Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the Vantrue Element 3 Dash Cam, a feature-packed device that offers front, rear, and cabin recording at a competitive price. Let's see if this dash cam is worth your consideration. The Vantrue Element 3 is designed with professional drivers in mind, offering comprehensive video coverage with front, rear, and cabin recording. While it lacks driver assistance features, it makes up for it with its versatile capabilities. The Element 3 combines a front camera, 6.4 cm screen, and rear view camera in a single device, connected by a cable. It's larger than some other dash cams but comes with a convenient windscreen mount that integrates the power connector. The dash cam can connect via GPS, Wi-Fi, and AG sensor-controlled parking mode. Setting it up is made easy with Vantrue's smartphone app or direct adjustments from the camera itself. A remote control is also included for added convenience. The Element 3 uses a Sony Star VIS image sensor with a resolution of 2592 by 1944, providing excellent video quality in daylight. The front and rear footage offer a wide dynamic range and sharpness, making it easy to identify important details. While the Element 3 performs well in well-lit areas at night, it's not the best in darker conditions. The front footage remains decent, but the rear camera's performance is underwhelming, with some underexposed areas. The highlight of this dash cam is its cabin camera, capturing HD video from almost the entire cabin. The infrared LEDs provide excellent interior footage even in pitch-black conditions, making it a valuable feature for professional drivers. It's important to note that the three cameras together require more than 250 megabytes of storage per minute. To accommodate this, it's recommended to use at least a 256 GB micro SD card. For commercial drivers and ride-share drivers who want extra reassurance, the Vantrue Element 3 offers an attractive package with front, rear, and cabin coverage. While it may not be the best performer at night, it still provides a comprehensive video recording solution. For private drivers seeking more advanced driving features and better nighttime performance, other options like the NextBase 622 GW may be worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. See you next time.